Hello, Adrian. This is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. I reached out to you on Friday and I told you that I was going to be sending out the screencast, and so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I just want to go through your site really quickly, one of your competitor sites really quickly, and then I'm actually going to give you 3 ways that you can use today for free to start bringing in more traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out, and once business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they often find that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. So without further ado, let's get into it. So I am on your home page, which looks very professional. It looks good. But as you can see, there is not a lot of content on here. And so Google is going to be ranking your site based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. And you're going to want around 1,000 to 1,500 words minimum on this home page. You have 639 words. So we definitely want to add some more content in here, and we're going to want to make sure that that content is quality educational content. Google's going to come through and read all of your content, and they are going to deem whether or not it will be easy for their users to find the services or the information that they're looking for. And in addition to having enough quality content, we want to make sure that there are the proper keywords in there that bring in a lot of volume, a lot of traffic, so we can get as many people to your site as we can. So over here, I am on Google. The keyword I will be using for today's video is going to be mold remediation, Rochester, NY. And so this is a good keyword. It brings in around 300 searches per month. So even if you snag a few of those as customers, you're doing really well for just one keyword. And so right here at the top is typically where you're going to see Google ads. There are none for this particular keyword showing at the moment, but Google ads are a good way to get your name out there while you're waiting for your SEO to kick in. As long as you know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, you can actually just waste a lot of money on these. But if you do, they're a really good way to get some brand recognition quick. And so below where they would usually be, now here at the top, we have our Google Map Pack. And so you have to be top 3 to get into this map pack. It used to be 5, but Google changed the algorithm. So how you get in the top 3 is by having a lot of citations. And so citations are just when your business is listed on different local directories around the web. So think Yelp, think Yellow Pages, think Yext. You want to be able to be on as many of these really high-powered, high-authority, highly visited sites as much as you can. And you want to be definitely on more of them than these 3 people are right here. And so here at the bottom, we have our organic search results. And so this is the #1 place you want to be. This is the #1 concern. That's because Google has actually come out and said that over 70% of people, when they search something in, they're actually going to end up clicking on one of these right here, one of these organic search results. So you definitely want to be here. And so here we can look at the #1 guide. This is just a directory, so it doesn't really count. This is the #1 business in the organic search results. So we can take a look at this site. So as you can see, he has probably even less content. I actually did do a search and 236 words. So already you've beat them, but both of you could definitely use more content. But the #1 reason that he's probably up here, and the main way you're going to get in these organic search results, is through backlinks. And so the internet is made up of businesses linking businesses and websites linking websites. And so when a website links another website, or think of it as like a shout out from one website to another, that is a backlink. And so you want high-powered backlinks from trusted sites that are visited a lot and that are also relevant to your business. So like if a local realtor or a plumbing company or construction company, if they could give you a backlink from their site, that would be really beneficial to you guys. So right here, this is Ahrefs.com. This is a really great tool. If you ever consider doing this on your own, I highly suggest using it. It cost me around $400 a month, but it has a lot of really good information. Right here, I just typed in the company we were just looking at before, the #1 competitor for this keyword, and here we can see that they have 76 backlinks from 15 different domains and are ranking for 84 different keywords. So we can actually see what those are. So here, the list of keywords, and then we can see how many people type in this keyword per month, and we can see how much traffic he gets from that keyword to his site, and then we can see what position that he holds. So we definitely can go through here and find which ones work the best for him and which ones are most relevant and have the most buyer intent, and then we can use the best ones for your site. And so the same way we look through the keywords, we can look through the backlinks. So 72 backlinks, that is a very, very, very easy number to beat. But do keep in mind that this is just one competitor for one keyword for one of the services you offer. We want to be able to beat out all of your competitors, and by a lot. But we can go through here and pick which backlinks are good. We can tell which ones are good by which ones have a DR, domain rating. They go from 1 to 100. So we can try and find the ones that are closest to 100. Try and snag some of these for your site, and we can do this with all of your competitors. So really quickly, lastly, let's just go through your site. So right now you have 33 backlinks from 7 different domains and are going for 32 keywords. And so you guys are going for a lot of the same keywords, and you're actually pretty close to the first page, but not quite there yet. Unless if they already know your business and are searching for you already. And so definitely want some more backlinks and to target some more relevant keywords that have some more volume. So to kind of recap what we talked about is #1, we want to get some more content with some more relevant high-powered keywords. #2, we want to get some more citations to get you on the map pack. And then #3, we want relevant high-powered backlinks. So I hope that you enjoyed this. I hope you learned something from it. If you are interested in possibly teaming up or just learning more, please email me back or you can give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. Thanks for watching.